What's cracking, YouTube? Welcome back to Myers Two-Stroke RC Garage. And today, guys, as you can see, we got the Vesla on the ground, and I got some new spikes on the back of it. And we got a massive expansion chamber in there for the big bore that's in it. We got the big bore, 71 Supreme, the Legend. We got that as a power plant. What is it? 2847 gears. I affixed the bonehead wheelie bar on it just for a temporary setup until I can figure out something else. So that's what we got going on. And then I kept the spikes, those old spikes on the front. I got two more that are coming from John, just waiting for him to get here. But yeah, we got the 71 Supreme in there. And I wanted to let everybody know that I am running the Taylor Billet heavy duty gear. That's what I got in there, and I got the Taylor housing and all that stuff. So that being said, we're gonna see how everything holds up and see if it works. So let me get this fired up and we'll get back at it. Get a little heat in it. There, she's cleared out. Well, maybe not. Out. Maybe I need to do some tuning on it. Oh, we got fuel everywhere. Okay. Yeah, she went rich on me. When I installed it in the engine, I must have bumped the needle. Something don't seem right. We might have a little bit too much gear in it. Look out. time. I got something going on with my tank vent. Oh, I know what it is. Woo, guys, she held together. What happened is, I can already tell it. I broke a clutch spring. It seems like every time I switch clutch bells on this thing, it will break springs. It's happened every time I've had the in and out of the Baja. So I'm pretty sure, almost 100% sure. In fact, we can go over and check the clutch bell right now. But I'm sure it's broken a clutch spring. Yep, I roll over the engine. I don't know if you can see that in there. But if I roll over the engine, it's hard for me to get a good angle. But if I roll over the engine, roll over the vehicle, the clutch bell is spinning. So we got a broken spring. Nothing wrong with the transmission. The transmission, everything on it held up. I do have a cage rub there. I didn't get to run it long enough last time to even figure out where my cage rubs were. And there's a major one right there. I could tell by that. It just liquefied that bar. Everything else seemed to hold up. That bonehead wheelie bar held up good. Yeah, guys, that billet, that heavy duty billet gear from Taylor, it works. I mean, I was beating the crap out of it. I think I have it slightly over geared for the amount of traction that's out here, because I'm running instead of 27 47s, I'm running 28 47s, which is it's only a tooth higher. But when I put the 27 47s in, the 28 46s was just too much with the Taylor Super Spikes. So I just gonna put it out there that it's just slightly over geared. And what I'll do is I'm gonna change gearing up. I should have the gearing to change it up, and I'm gonna change up the gearing and stuff like that. Anyways, guys, yeah, I'm gonna say it again. There really, it just depends on what you want to do, because the gear held up. The idler gear held up in this rip, and I ripped it hard. I did not give it any brakes. I did those flip turns, peeling out when I'm going backwards. I did not give it any brake. The clutch got extremely warm. I could tell it was, like I said, it was over geared, is what I'm saying, because this is a completely different platform to me. I'm not used to what's going on with it, so I didn't know the exact gearing out of the box. So anyways, yeah, great rip. The transmission gear held up. The idler gear is good from Taylor RC, man. I would invest in buying that, baby. If you already have the Taylor transmission housing, go ahead and get that gear, because it holds up to the 71 Supreme. So anyways, with that, guys, I will let you go, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.